Chapter name is HTML, and the subtopic of this chapter is list and create tables. Means HTML is a main heading. After that, dot 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 is written, means something you have read about the HTML, and then new topic is list and create tables. List and create table means in this chapter we understand about the list, and second one, how we create table in HTML. I think all of you know the full form of HTML. Again, we recall it. HTML full form is Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language means this kind of language we have to use markup tags. Markup tags. Markup tags means in HTML we have two kinds of tag. One is opening tag and second one is closing tag. Means if a tag which have both open tag and off tag, that type of tag is known as paired tag. P-A-I-R-E-D, paired tag. And a tag which have only opening tag, that time closing tag is missing. So this type of tag is known as unpaired tag, means empty tag, like this. So this is the introduction about the HTML. So start this topic that is called list and create table. Now, lists are used to arrange text in a linear and structured form. Linear and structured form means here we arrange our data in a sequential manner, in a proper structure. That's why it is saying that linear. Linear means जो एक line में आएगा. Linear means one line. Clear? So here lists are used to arrange text in linear and structured form. Several types of list elements and are supported by HTML. List elements like OL tag means ordered list, UL tag for unordered list, LI tag for list item. So means lots of elements, list elements we have that is supported by HTML. These list elements are included within body of document, but these elements can be nested. Means here we can generate nested list also. Means element of the list we can nested. Nested means one tag is written inside another. Means एक के अंदर जो दूसरा tag होगा जब लिखा जाएगा, that is called nested. Clear? So here list element we can write in a nested manner. That is, one set of element can be embedded, enclosed. Embedded means enclosed within another. एक के अंदर जब दूसरा टैग आएगा तो उस टाइप की टैग को आप बोलोगे नेस्टेड टैग. Then how to create a list. List आप कैसे बनाओगे? When you need to display data in the form of points, then list has to be created. Means suppose that you want to make a list. One example, you want to make a list of direction. How many directions you have? So you all know about this. You have 4 directions. One is east, west, north, south. So you want to write this direction in a point manner. Means point number 1 east, point number 2 west, point number 3 north, point number 4 south, like this. So if you want to represent your data in this manner, in a point manner, so that time you have to use the concept of list. You have to use the concept of list. The LI tag is called list item tag. LI tag stands for list item tag, used to create a list which is an empty tag. Means here LI is a empty tag, but HTML is a very popular language. We know about this. Okay, so LI either you have to write in empty manner or you have to write in paired manner. Both is acceptable. Both is acceptable. According to definition, it is saying that LI tag is a empty tag. LI जो है वो empty tag है. Means here only open tag is given, closed tag is missing. According to this definition, we say that li is a empty tag. Empty means opening has का closing missing है. Clear? तो but if you write opening and closing, then it cannot generate error. Error नहीं आ सकती यहाँ पर, आप लगा भी दोगे तो. Clear? HTML support many types of list. Many types of list, like first list name is unordered list. Second is ordered list. Third is definition list. So means three lists we have. One is unordered, second is ordered, third is definition list. Now first is unordered list tag. What do you mean by look this. The order of list is not specified in the unordered list. Unordered means which have no order. A list which have no order. So this type of list is called unordered list. The order of list is not specified, means which one come first, which one come last, which one come in middle. We don't specify. So if the list of order is not specified, that time you have to use unordered list. The order of list is not specified in the unordered list. By default, bullets are used to highlight the points. Bullets, you know very well what are the bullets. Look this. See this example. This is called bullets. This circle is called bullets. Circle is called means field circle. एक simple circle होते हैं, एक field circle है. So this circle is called bullets. Clear? So means by default bullets are used to highlight the points. Point को highlight करने के लिए we have bullets like this. Hardware parts. Hardware part, this is the heading. Then points are input device, processing device, output device, storage device are given in a point manner. Point manner. So this is represented by bulleted list. By default, bullets are used to highlight the points. The UL open and UL close, that is called pair tag. This is called pair tag, which have both open tag and close tag. So this type of tag is known as pair tag, are used to enclose the list in between them. Means whatever you have to write in between these two tags, that means it is enclosed. Means from this we have to create unordered list. Its full form is unordered. L stands for list. U means unordered. L means list. So means through the UL tag we have to create unordered list. The list items are listed with LI tag. Means through the LI tag we have to create or generate list item. Look this. Here input device. Input device is a list item. Means item number 1 is input device. Item number 2 is processing device. Item number 3 is output device. Item number 4 is storage device. Order is not set. If you want to write storage device in the second position, you can write, because order is not set. Any bulleted point you have to write in any manner. That's why it is unordered. क्योंकि order set ही नहीं है. कौन सा चीज आपने पहले लिखी, कौन सी चीज बाद में लिखनी है, लिख सकते हो आप. ठीक है. Now how you have to create this ordered list, unordered list. Look this. Every HTML page start with the HTML tag. Every HTML page start with HTML tag. So HTML tag is called root tag. Root tag means यहाँ से हमारा HTML page start होगा. Then head tag. Head tag is optional. Either you have to write or don't write. It will work. Then title. Title always come in the title bar. Hardware parts. Then title close. This is a title. Hardware parts. This hardware parts is something different from this hardware parts. देखो यहाँ पर क्या आ रहा है, hardware parts. This hardware parts is coming through this line. ये जो लाइन लिखी है इससे आ रहा है. किस लाइन से? इस लाइन से आ रहा है. इस लाइन से hardware parts आ रहा है, ना कि इससे. Because of this tag. center and B, because this line is written in the body tag. Means inside the body tag, whatever you have to write, it will display on the web page. Whatever you have to write in the body tag, it will display on the web page, or those things you have to write outside the body, that will not appear on the page. So here title hardware parts is written, that means this is appeared on the title bar. Look, we can see this with the help of example directly. Now screen is visible to you. Please show me your hands. Screen is visible. This is a notepad screen. It is visible to you. Very good. 4, 5, 7. Very good. Okay. Now see this. First of all, type HTML. This is a root tag, because without this we can't create HTML page. Then HEAD, head. This is optional tag. Either you have to write or don't write. It will work. TITLE, title, and then hardware parts. I am writing like this: hardware parts, TITLE, title, and then close, and then close this head tag. Then start body tag, and I don't want to write inside the body this time, so write body tag, close, and then close HTML tag, and then save your file. Now go to the file menu, save as, and set its location desktop, and write the name of your file. So I want to create list here. The name of the file is list dot HTML. Means every HTML page has extension either .html or .htm. Means either you have to write HTML or you have to write HTM. Both will acceptable. So HTML, this time I am writing HTML, and then click on save button. Now your file is saved. See this list. This is the file. It is visible, I think. Okay. Now list is a file and its icon is a Chrome browser. का icon जो होता है Chrome का, वो icon आ गया. Now double click on this. Once you double click on this, nothing is visible in the web page. यहाँ देखो page is blank. Page blank है, but look this part. This part यहाँ आपको दिख रहा होगा hardware parts. Because of this line is written with the title. I have written title bar. I have written title. Title of this page is hardware parts. That's why this is visible here. Look this. Hardware parts is written here. Okay? So this is the actual means of this. Look, this line is for only to display this hardware parts on the title bar, whereas this hardware part is a heading which will come under the page में आएगा, because this line is written inside the body tag. Means whatever you have to write in the body tag, it will display on the page. Now look this, after the body tag I want to write something. In the body tag I want to write something like center, CENTER, center. This is the center tag, means it will appear at the center. And then B tag is for to make our text bold. Hardware parts, and then first you have to close B tag, or B tag is a unpaired tag. Either you have to write or don't write, it will accept. But this time I am writing here, it will not generate any error. Then save your file, click on save button, and open your web page. Now see, hardware parts is appeared at the center of the web page and in bold manner. Yes. So I hope you understand about the difference between this first line where hardware parts is written and the second line here hardware parts is written. इन दोनों का डिफरेंस आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. I hope it is clear. Show me your hands. If it is clear, show me your hands. Reply me. It is clear. Very good. 14 people has raising their hands. Now means only 14 student understand. Remaining any problem you have? जो बाकी हैं उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो प्लीज. Very good. Now number of raise hand increasing. Very good. Okay. Move further. Very good, beta. Now. Then start UL. UL tag means unordered list. Means from here I want to create unordered list. So this is the tag which indicate we are creating a unordered list. Then how many items we want to insert in this list? So it is identified by the li tag because its full form is list item. Its full form is list item. L stand for list, I stand for item. List item. Input device, this is the heading, and then close li tag. Now look this. Li is opened, li is closed. Li is opened and li is closed. That means it is a part of container tag, or you can say that it is a part of pair tag. But in the definition of your book, it is written, क्या लिखा हुआ है देखना, li tag is used to create a list which is an empty tag. Or empty tag are those tags which have only opening tag. That time closing tag is missing. But here, according to the example, it is pair tag. It's not a empty tag. So now see example. Okay. After that, write BR tag. BR tag means for break the line. Means come to the new line. Come to new line and write UL. That means we want to create unordered list, and then LI. List item. List item. First item is, what is written? First item is input device. Okay. INPUT. Input. DEVICES. Input devices. Now close this UL tag. I want to show the difference. If I am not writing li closing, देखो li का opening तो लिखा है मैंने, closing नहीं लिखा है. Means क्या होता है देखते हैं. Save your file and open this. This time it is not showing any list here, but when I refresh my page, refresh देखो, right click, reload, right click, reload. When I reload this page, it is written क्या, input device in a bulleted manner. In a bulleted manner. आ गया नहीं आ गया? So means either you have to write opening and closing both, it will accept, or if you don't write opening and closing तो तब भी चलेगा. Opening is compulsory. Opening तो आपको लिखनी पड़ेगी. Closing you have to, it depends on you. If you don't want to write closing, no need. ठीक है. If you are writing, then no problem. लिख दोगे तब भी कोई परेशानी नहीं है, नहीं लिखोगे तब भी कोई परेशानी नहीं है यहाँ पर. ठीक है. Then second is processing devices. Now see, in second one, Look this, LI, processing, CESSING, processing devices. Or this time I want to close it. Now see what will happen. Save this file and then reload your page once again. Reload your page and then see another list is generated. So no difference, either you have to write both opening और closing. जैसे आपने यहाँ पर opening लिखा है और closing भी लिखा है. Look this, ठीक है? और here I have written only opening. तो no change. तो means आप इसे दोनों लिख सकते हो और एक भी लिख के भी चला सकता है ये, ठीक है? Means opening is compulsory. So means you have to write opening tag. So this is the actual means how we create unordered list. Similarly, if you want to add one more item, then again li input output device closes, out storage device closes, so it will generate number of items. जितने आपने लिखे हैं उतने आ जाएंगे सामने, like input device, processing device, output device और storage device. Now next is ordered list. Ordered list can be represented either with the numbers or alphabets or Roman numerals. Means ordered means either you have to write list in number manner like 1, 2, 3, 4, or you have to write your list like A, B, C, D in this type, or you have to write your list like Roman 1, Roman 2, Roman 3, Roman 4 like this. So you can use ordered list. Look this. Now this time it is written in alphabetical manner, A, B, C, D. It is written in Roman manner. So you can write. So if you want to generate your list in a number manner or alphabetical manner or Roman manner, so that time you have to use ordered list, which have two attributes. Means ordered list have two attributes. First is type and second one is start. Means which type of list you want to create. Which type of means like number list, alphabetical list or Roman list. ये आप पर डिपेंड करता है आप क्या बनाना चाहते हो, ठीक है? It specify the numbers or alphabets. It can be either 1, small a, capital A, small I, and capital I. This is for small I or capital I is for Roman. Small a, capital A is for alphabetical, or number for numeric list is 1, 1, 2, 3. So type is this, like this type. So see this. OL is a tag for ordered list. In type, either you have to write 1 or you have to write a small a, you have to write capital A, small I or capital I. All are acceptable. Then start. Start is another attribute. Start is another attribute. You can specify the numeric value here to which the list need to start. Means from where you want to start. Means starting number is 1 or maybe starting number is 5. Look this. In this example, here it started from B. ये B से start हो रहा है, ना कि A से start हो रहा है. That means here we write start equals to 2. Start value is 2. That means it will start from B. And the type of this list is A. Type of this list is A. That means it will show our list in alphabetical order. So this list in alphabetical order like B, C, D. B is coming because we have written the value of start is 2. Means हमें second से start करनी है. जब second से start करनी है तो start की value क्या आएगी? 2 आएगी. Similarly, if you want to generate a Roman list, so that time you have to write the value of type is I. Value of type is I. I की value आपको type की value आपने I रखनी है. And start, from where you want to start. If you want to start from 3, so write the start value is 3. Look this. It started from 3 in a Roman manner. Clear? I hope you understand about this. This is the difference between ordered list and unordered list. If you have any doubt, query regarding this, please ask to me.